Hey, yeah, what's poppin', guys? Michael here, back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm teaching you guys how to clean your AirPods. If you have AirPods, some people have AirPods that's really dirty. So if you have an AirPod that's really dirty and you're trying to like clean it, I guess this is the right video for you guys. So if you want a really easy video on how to clean your AirPods, being an AirPod 1, AirPod 2, AirPod Pro, this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so first what you want to do is if you can see your wall, there is some dirt. I don't know how bad you can see it, but there is some dirt on the AirPods. So we are going to do is grab your cotton bud if you have some. Yeah, you don't need anything fancy to clean your AirPods, guys. So I'm going to take like 2 out, put this aside. So what you want to do is just use this and kind of like clean all the dirt you can see with your eye. Go around the whole thing. You can feel free and press. It's not going to damage it. It's not going to scratch it or anything. But just press and remove all the dirt all around. So what you want to do is just like clean all the dirt you can see, make sure it enters the hole, kind of like rub it, bring all the dirt particles out. If this side is dirty, all you need to do is swap to the other side, clean. If there are some dirts in between here you can't get, you can use this. If you have a toothpick at home, you can use toothpick. I don't have one, so I went ahead and sharpened one side of my cotton bud. So it's what I'm going to be using. So you can use that to like gently swipe on here, and it's going to go. Do it that way. You can clean all around. Go ahead, grab a tissue if you have one. Grab something that won't how should I put it? I don't know if it's called lint, but you see those whitish thing that comes off tissue. Yeah, use one that doesn't have that. Then you can use this to go ahead and clean the edges. Close it up. You can clean around it. Around mine is not really dirty because I have a protector. If you guys have a protector and it's also dirty, all you need to do is go ahead, put that in the sink, add liquid soap, wash that, let it dry, then you can wear it back. Or if you have something else you can wear for it after cleaning, just wear that for it. It protected it from scratch so it doesn't get dirty and then dust and stuff. And go ahead and clean that really nice. Pick up your sharpened cotton bud or your toothpick. Now there's some debts here. There's a groove here. I don't know how best my camera can show that, but I'm going to go ahead. If you have an AirPod Pro, you know what I'm talking about. Put it in the groove and voila. It's that simple. It's going to pick out all the dirt from the groove. If your sharpened cotton bud or toothpick is not pointed enough, you can sharpen it. I have my blade here. I'm going to go ahead and sharpen mine again, just a little bit. And go back to work. It's easy as ABC. Yo, don't leave your AirPod dirty, Bob. Then you can go ahead to the top side and clean that as well. Damn, I wish you guys could see. It's really dirty. Yeah, but it is what it is. So after cleaning the case, wipe it down once more, then boom, we are done here. My case is not that dirty, so I'm just going to like wipe it a little. Then I'm going to put it back inside. As simple as that. And now we're going to head over to these. Yeah, so first off, you wipe it down really quick. Just like that. Right ahead, there are some grooves around the AirPod. Your toothpick can go into, so you want to like clean those first. So go ahead, go around it and remove all the dirt stuck in the groove. There's some hole there. It won't damage your AirPods. So after you do that, you take your tissue again, or any cotton or microfiber cloth you have to clean it. So I'm happy with this. Then you repeat the same process for this one. So you clean. So after done with the second one, you want to take your used cotton bud and clean in between. Just put it inside and clean it like you're cleaning your earlobe. So you clean that. Try to clean around it. Take a clean one. Do the same for the other one. After that, you want to pull, make it into this shape, and pull. You hear a pop. Then you take your cotton, microcloth, tissue, whatever, to clean this one. You clean this one too. You can clean around it, but for the inside, use the cotton bud, and you can get every dirt inside. When you're done, all you need to do is you can do it like this, how you found it, and then just press for it to stick back. So simple. So we are done here. You put it inside, then repeat the same process for this one. The AirPod is as good as new. Put it back in the case. Just like that. You got your AirPods. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give this video a like. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos weekly, I hope. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Every day we hustle, I cried your phone and didn't hope for myself. Every day we stacking money double.